In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Cloudflare Warp on a Windows computer. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Cloudflare Warp download. From the search results, open the official Cloudflare website. This will take you to the download page. Cloudflare Warp is now included with the Cloudflare One client, so you may see that name displayed on the website and during the installation. On the download page, click Download Latest Stable Release. The installer should begin downloading automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your computer, click Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Cloudflare One client. After the installation is complete, the application should open automatically. You can also open it manually from the Start menu. On the Welcome screen, you'll see two options: Private Browsing and Cloudflare One Client for organizational use. The organizational option requires you to sign in with a Cloudflare Zero Trust account provided by your company or organization. For this tutorial, we'll use Warp for personal use, so select Private Browsing. Next, click Agree to Terms and Continue. Once the application opens, click the Connect button. After a few seconds, the status should change to Connected. Cloudflare Warp is now active and helping secure your internet connection. To disconnect it at any time, open the application again and click the Connection button. And that's it. You've successfully installed and connected Cloudflare Warp on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.